Okay, get ready to witness something weird and wonderful. Watch as seawater meets this red-hot metal spoon. You'd think it would just sizzle and disappear, right? Wrong. Instead, the water starts dancing. Yup, it glides and twirls across the spoon like it's auditioning for a talent show. This is called the Leidenfrost effect. Basically, the spoon is so insanely hot that the water instantly turns to vapor underneath, creating a little cushion of steam that lets the droplet float around like it's on a magic carpet. But then comes the grand finale. As the water finally gives up and evaporates completely, it leaves behind glittering crystals of salt, like nature's confetti celebrating a job well done. This tiny experiment isn't just mesmerizing, it's a peek into how desalination works, turning seawater into something drinkable. Who knew science could be this spectacular and a little salty? Watch as this red-hot metal ball melts away the plastic and ice. The iced bottle immediately begins to melt, and as the heat builds, the pressure inside skyrockets. Water squirts out dramatically and smoke pours from the melting plastic. Now let's place another ball on a regular water bottle and see what happens. Instantly, both bottles start to emit dense smoke as the red-hot balls burn and melt through the plastic, releasing steam and fumes. The bottle filled with regular water makes a loud, sharp sound as the ball cools, as if the bottle is letting out a scream of defeat. Meanwhile, the iced water bottle reacts more gradually. Now for the final test. Placing the red-hot ball on a thinner ice block. The reaction is even more dramatic this time. The ball melts through the ice far quicker, creating thick smoke and violent bubbling as it carves its way down, leaving behind a chaotic, smoldering mess that perfectly captures the raw power of thermal energy. All right, buckle up for a cooking adventure like no other because today we're making popcorn inside a coconut. But first, let's see if this blazing hot red ball can melt through our sturdy coconut. It's smoking. Looks like it only managed to make a tiny dent. Forget it. Now let's get serious. We crack open our coconut, dump in that heated ball, and watch as it boils the water inside. Now pour in some popcorn kernels, of course. At first, nothing much is happening, just a few bubbles. Let's turn up the heat by dropping in another red-hot ball and maybe another one for good measure. There we go. I think I heard the first pop. Let's add one more ball just to get things going. Oh, keep your eyes peeled because any second now, bam, popcorn. Listen in. Let's throw in yet another heated ball so that the coconut can really lock in and start cooking like Stephen Curry in Game 7. Just look at it go. This is culinary chaos at its finest. And there you have it. Crunchy, steamy popcorn straight from a coconut. Who needs a microwave when you've got a superheated ball and a sense of adventure?